I'm Don Paris. I'm Department Chair for Process Technology at Alvin College.
I'm David Westmoreland. I'm one of the instructors here in the Process Technology Department. My background is petrochemical operations. I was an operator of a plant, and I was also a pipeline controller for some of the largest pipelines in the country. And after that, I also worked in process safety. This simulator gives a lot more hands-on than what we had in the past. We'd had a simulator that become kind of obsolete. This is more of aligned towards the distributed control center, DCS systems, that they actually have in the plant nowadays.
Biannually, we hold Process Technology Advisory Committee meetings which industry partners attend. We had the good fortune of demonstrating this to the industry partners. It was well received. We had two instructors demonstrate the capabilities of it. We also had on that call a student who's both on the advisory committee meeting and used this thing and was very supportive of the improvement over our previous programs.
I think this particular program actually allows them to see what the plant really looks like, where before it was kind of a challenging work like we can do with this. It makes them think more. So they actually have to work through issues. It increases their troubleshooting skills, their ability to think through problems, stuff like that, by using this. We can give them different scenarios that they can actually operate with. We can change different parts of the process. We've been able to integrate this into our upper level classes, operations and troubleshooting right now, but we're going to bring it into instrumentation and equipment. One thing about it is one of the modules that we have is very similar to a large piece of equipment that we purchased last summer. So we're actually able to let the students almost operate that piece of equipment before they actually will put their hands on it. So it allows us to start preparing them here inside this room before they go out there, go into the lab and start operating. Everything that we can do at the plant, startups, shutdowns, upsets, stuff like that, we can do here. We can actually, one of the nicer features of the Yokogawa OTS is that we can take, and the student can be running it normally, and we can reach over there and input a fault and they have to find it. We can close a valve. We can have a transmitter loss. We can do things that the students will see or operators will see in the plant. We can do it here, and they can actually see something before it hits them in real life.
This program has 7 unique modules that they can train. Every process plant, every chemical plant in the region has these 7 process plants in there. This trains the students before they become an operator.
Training is expensive, no matter what. Training at the plant, training is, when they go to work at the plant, they spend a lot of time. If they can get some of this experience before time, they'll actually have seen what a DCS system is. They'll actually have their hands on it. So that'll give them a little bit of heads up, a little bit of leg up on actually board operations, control system operations.